In this question, we are given that Ram and Rohini have equal amount of money. So let the amount with Ram be k rupees and let the amount with Rohini be k rupees. That is same amount. Now we know that Ram bought 2 chocolates, 5 burgers and 11 toffees and exhausted all his money. Let the cost of chocolates be C, cost of burgers be B and the cost of toffees be T. Ram bought 2 chocolates, 5 burgers and 11 toffees and he exhausted all his money. That is, he used all his money. That means he spended all his money. That is 2c plus 5b plus 11t is equals to k. Then we know Rohini bought 3 chocolates, 3 burgers and 3 toffees and saved 67. That is, Rohini had k and she spent 3c plus 3b plus 3t. We can common out 3 and she is left with 67. We know the value of k, we can substitute the k in this equation. That is 2c plus 5b plus 11t minus 3c minus 3b minus 3t. We get this as 67. 2c minus 3c minus c, 5b minus 3b, 2b, 11t minus 3t, that is 8t is equals to 67. Now we have the equation and we have the 4 options. We can solve this using the 4 options. The answer is second option. I'll substitute and show this is the cost of chocolate, burger and toffee. So minus 19 plus 2 into burger, that is 31. This was plus 8 into 3. This needs to be equal to 67. Minus 19 plus 231, 62 plus 8 3 is 24. This will 60, 80, 86. Yes, so 88, 86, 86 minus 19. We'll subtract this. 86 minus 19, that is we get 67. So the answer is option B.